Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Thursday again and for another turban tutorial. You guys have been asking me how to tie this. It has been long I tied a bridal turban, so I'm going to be showing you guys this. I've tied something similar like this before, but not this detailed. So you guys should keep watching. So first of all, I'm going to be cleaning, let's say I'm going to be laying her edges. You want to make sure you do that as a makeup artist. You want to make sure the edges are well laid. After laying the edges, I'm going to be using one of our raw silk materials. If you want to order for raw silk, you can send in a DM, or rather my number is on Instagram. You can just pick up my phone number from Instagram, send me a WhatsApp or call me, and I'm going to deliver to wherever you are in the world. Guys, we have so many ways to send messages. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to be laying the turban. It's a 70-30 turban. That's one part is longer than the other part. I'm going to be starting off from the back, be laying the turban from the back of her head and then bringing it at the top. So I'm going to be using the longer hand first, placing it from the back and then pleating that out smoothly and gently. You want to make sure you split that out neatly, because if your pleats are not neat, your turban is as bad as everything. So professionally, you want to make sure your turban is well laid. So I'm going to be bringing up the shorter hand, like the shorter part of the turban, and then pleating the other side too. I pleated 5 pleats here. I'm also going to be pleating 5 from the side. So what I did, if you're doing a V-shaped turban, you want to make sure the longer hand, when you're placing it on top, you want to make sure you place the other parts behind the ear, and then that's how you achieve a V-shaped turban. So I'm going to be placing that. After pleating 5 pleats, then I'll be pinning that down. I'll be using an office pin to hold it down. So guys, you have to be careful when you're pinning down your turban. You don't want to poke your model or your client. So folding this in is going to be serving as more volume on the head. So you want to bring the longer part up again and then start pleating. I think I pleated like 3 pleats or 4. So this is it. I pleated 3 pleats. So I'm going to I'll pin that down and then start creating something beautiful with the remnants of the turban. So for this remnant part of the turban, you can do whatever you want to do. You can either make it a flower, make it ruffles, make it anything you want to make it, but I'm going to be doing something more like a rose petal shaped turban. So I just picked one, twisted it like this, just like rolling that down and then using my office pin to hold it down. I did several types, like I did like 2, 3, 4 types of rolls and then pinned that down. So guys, I couldn't get a net. I wanted to get a net, like a bridal veil on her head. So this turban was not looking really beautiful without a net. I was actually looking for a net that deal, but I couldn't get one. So just imagine a full bridal makeup, a bride using this turban with this, wearing this makeup and this turban, and a bridal veil on top of this turban. Guys, this turban is going to look mad on somebody's wedding day. I'm already married, so I don't need to tie this again. So as you can see, I'm going to be holding that down using my office pin. And then after making 2-3 rolls, I'm going to be bringing the remnants and then just twisting that down, covering the rolls, and then use my office pin to hold it down. Hope you guys understand. If you do, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video guys if you want to. So this is Hadidi makeovers once again. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Please watch my videos to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. I'm going to see you guys next week, Thursday. I love you guys so much. Next week Tuesday. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.